Best RC planes. Are you looking for the best RC planes? In this video we will look at some of the best RC planes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M. The E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M is widely regarded as one of the best RC planes for beginners and intermediate pilots alike. With its 59-inch wingspan and innovative safe, sensor-assisted flight envelope technology, this isn't just a trainer, it's a complete flight system designed to make learning both safe and enjoyable. Its stability and progressive flight modes allow new pilots to gain confidence quickly while providing enough capability to remain engaging as skills improve. Building on the proven Apprentice S15E platform, the STS adds smart electronics that deliver real-time telemetry to compatible spectrum transmitters. This provides valuable insights such as battery voltage, current, motor RPM, and approximate flight time, giving pilots a professional-grade experience while still learning the basics. The Apprentice STS is ideal for first-time flyers thanks to its intuitive safe modes, which act as training wheels. Beginner mode limits banking and auto-levels the plane, while intermediate and experienced modes gradually unlock aerobatic capabilities, including loops, rolls, and short inverted flight. Panic recovery ensures mistakes never lead to crashes, building confidence from day one. Durable EPO construction, reinforced high-stress areas, and wide-stance tricycle landing gear make ground handling simple and reduce the risk of damage. Optional Safe Plus GPS compatibility adds autopilot-style features like Autoland and Virtual Fence. With fast assembly, excellent support, and the ability to grow with pilot skills, the Apprentice STS delivers a reliable, confidence-inspiring flight experience. Priced at around $330 RTF, excluding battery/charger, it's a premium investment that guarantees successful flights and rapid learning, making it the definitive choice for aspiring RC pilots. Number 2. VOLANTEXRC TrainStar Ascent, Best Value RC Plane. The TrainStar Ascent proves you don't need a huge budget to enjoy a high-quality RC trainer. With a 1,400mm, 55-inch wingspan, this model delivers the stability of larger planes and the performance of a brushless motor system, all at an impressively affordable price. Its standout feature is the unibody ABS plastic fuselage, far tougher than typical foam, which resists cracks and survives crashes that would destroy other trainers. Who should buy it? Budget-conscious beginners who want a capable, durable plane without compromise will find the Ascent ideal. Its rugged design makes it perfect for first-time flyers prone to crashes, as well as clubs or youth programs where durability matters more than high-end electronics. Why you'll love it. The Ascent's forgiving flight characteristics and tank-like construction let you bounce back from mistakes with minimal downtime. The Quick Connect wing system allows rapid assembly, and the 4023/1050 kV brushless motor provides confident climbs and basic aerobatic capability for pilots ready to advance. Key features: unibody ABS fuselage for superior crash resistance. Overgrade 4023/1050 kV brushless motor with 40 AESC. Click and plug wing system for tool-free setup. Large 1,400mm wingspan for stable flight. For channel control with functional ailerons. Technical specs: flying weight, 820 g, length, 1010mm, battery, 3S 2200 mAh LiPo, not included, completion, PNP. Pros and cons. Pros: extremely durable, affordable, large and stable, gentle learning flight. Cons: heavier than foam-only trainers, PNP requires separate radio, lacks safe-style stabilization, paint can scratch. Verdict: the TrainStar Ascent delivers unbeatable value, combining crash-resistant construction, solid flight performance, and large trainer stability at a budget price. It's the perfect trainer for learning and growing without breaking the bank. Number 3. HobbyZone RC Airplane Carbon Cub S2 1.3M. Don't let the budget-friendly label fool you. The Carbon Cub S2 delivers impressive capability in a scale-accurate 1.3M STOL airframe. This versatile trainer combines safe technology, optional GPS upgrades, and authentic bushplane performance, making it a perfect choice for beginners who want a plane that grows with their skills. Whether it's first flights or short-field adventures, the Carbon Cub S2 handles it all. Who should buy it? Ideal for beginners who value scale realism but want room to progress without purchasing multiple aircraft. If you dream of bush flying or float operations but need confidence building assistance first, this plane delivers. Its combination of features per dollar makes it one of the best value trainers on the market. Why you'll love it. From day one, the Carbon Cub S2 makes you feel like a real bush pilot. Oversized Tundra tires allow takeoffs and landings on rough fields, while safe technology offers beginner support that gradually scales back as skills grow. The functional slotted flaps, float-ready provisions, and stylish design add both practicality and charm. Key features and specs. Safe modes: beginner, intermediate, expert. Optional safe plus GPS compatibility. Oversized Tundra tires for rough field operations. Telemetry-capable 30A Smart ESC. Wingspan, 1,300 mm, weight, 913 g, motor, 489/60 kV brushless. Pros and cons. Pros: beginner-friendly, versatile terrain capability, upgradable, scale appearance, excellent parts support. Cons: battery/charger sold separately, tailrigger requires care, slightly more active in wind. Verdict. With stability, versatility, and growth potential, the Carbon Cub S2 is a budget-friendly trainer that feels premium. Its combination of technology and scale realism ensures both new and advancing pilots enjoy every flight. Number 4. VOLANTEXRC F4U Corsair. Who says beginners can't fly Warbirds? The F4U Corsair Micro RC plane breaks the rules with its 400 mm wingspan and spilot stabilization system, making a traditionally tricky aircraft easy for first-time pilots. Modern technology tames the challenges of Warbird flight, letting novices enjoy aerobatics safely and confidently. Who should buy it? Perfect for rookies who want something cooler than a standard high-wing trainer. Kids and adults drawn to military aircraft will love this plane, especially if they want a low-stress introduction to Warbirds without the typical learning curve. Why you'll love it. This Micro Corsair blends iconic Warbird style with beginner-friendly flight. The spilot system prevents tip stalls and snap rolls that plague many Warbirds, while one-key aerobatics allow impressive stunts from the first flight. Its small size makes crashes more funny than destructive, and the EPP foam construction bounces back from impacts with ease. Key features and specs. 6-axis spilot Euro stabilization system with beginner, intermediate, expert modes. 1-key aerobatic function. Propeller saver design. Complete RTF package. Flight time, 12 to 15 minutes. Wingspan, 400 mm, weight, 60 g, motor, coreless with gearbox, battery, 1S 500 mAh LiPo, range, 200 plus FT. Pros and cons. Pros: beginner-friendly, durable, complete RTF under $120, spilot keeps flight stable. Cons: lightweight limits windy day use, basic transmitter not reusable, small size limits visibility. Verdict. The F4U Corsair Micro RC plane makes Warbird flying accessible to everyone. Stable, fun, and forgiving, it's the perfect first plane for military aviation enthusiasts who refuse to settle for boring trainers. Number 5. E-flite P51D Mustang 1.2M, Best Warbird. The Cripes Mighty Third P51D Mustang embodies Warbird excellence at the sport scale. With functional flaps, electric retractable landing gear, and the iconic 4-blade propeller, it delivers an authentic Mustang flying experience. AS3X stabilization and optional safe select technology make this traditionally challenging aircraft approachable without sacrificing realism. Who should buy it? This plane is ideal for intermediate to advanced pilots ready for their first full-featured Warbird. History enthusiasts who value scale fidelity and flyers who have mastered basic skills and want a true Warbird experience will love the P51D. Why you'll love it. From scale exhaust stacks to sequenced gear doors, every detail reflects quality. On 3S LiPo it's smooth and manageable, switch to 4S, and it becomes a high-performance thrill machine. The AS3X system smooths turbulence while retaining the Mustang's signature feel, making each flight both thrilling and confidence-inspiring. Key features and specs. Functional split flaps with independent servos. Electric retracts with scale covers. AS3X stabilization with optional safe select. 3S/4S power compatibility. Smart 70 AESC with telemetry. Wingspan 1219 mm, length 1065 mm, weight 1530 g, motor BL15850 kV brushless, battery 3S/4S 2200 to 3200 mAh. Pros and cons. Pros: stunning scale fidelity, docile handling for a Warbird, versatile performance, high quality components, excellent support. Cons: discontinued with limited availability, requires intermediate skill, complex systems need careful checks, shorter 4S flight times. Verdict: the P51D Mustang 1.2M is a sport-scale masterpiece. Combining authentic scale detail with genuine performance, it rewards careful pilots with thrilling, precise, and visually stunning flights. Limited availability makes it a rare gem for collectors and enthusiasts alike.